Afternoon, everyone. Having a problem with the 1967 Williams pinball game scoring reel. Reels number 1 and 2 make lots of noise. They have new coils. Number 3 and 4 do not. I will manually trigger them by bypassing the relay, touching the power. Here's number 1. Here's number 2. Here's number 3. As you can see, number 3 is perfectly normal and happy. Number 2, not so much. It's not the contacts, they're being bypassed. It's not the coils, they're brand new. I tried jumpering the coil from number 1 to number 3 and it made no difference. Number 3 was still nice and quiet. Number 1 was still angry. Not quite sure what's going on. The copper slug is present at the bottom of the coil. Let me know what you think.